Hello, people. This particular review is of this movie called Dil Dosti etc. Dil Dosti etc. Shreyas Talpade and Nazaruddin Shah's son. That's how Imad Shah. Yeah, the thing about this film was normally college films you would associate with a certain feel good vibe, but considering, keeping in mind how the film ends, like consider this being a review, I shouldn't spoil it for you with regard to how the film ends, but it's very there's a certain angst. The film is there's a lot of angst in the movie, and but the music, it's been years since the movie has been released, but till date, I listen to the music on a loop, because it was that good. It's, like certain songs, just you can check it out on YouTube itself because it's so amazing. So, and, you know, Shreyas Talpade, Nazaruddin Shah's son, all of them are like so believable in their roles. So, I think that is a hallmark of a good actor, yeah. So, I would give the film a 5-star rating because it it was and hats off to the director of the film because the film has a certain melancholy air, but at the same time you would want to go and watch it. Normally, honestly, I try to keep away from dark, depressing films, but that's what this film has a very there's a lot of thought that has gone into the movie. So I find that very interesting because these days many films are made without any thought. Yeah, it's like chalo camera hai haath mein, and that's how it is for most of us, I guess. But so that's what. So there, full marks to the director, script writer, and so go and watch this film, people. Dil Dosti etc. It is a unique film. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.